Good afternoon, my name is Maxim. I am a student of Vinnytsia National Technical University. I want to show you a startup project called GROMM, Global Story of Muscular Mobility. It's not a secret that there is a war in Ukraine. The number of injured is increasing every hour. In connection with this, the demand for medical services is increasing, which you can see on the graph. Currently, one of the popular topics in medicine is limb rehabilitation, which takes a central amount of time. For example, let's take a hand injury that is being treated for several months. She may need a central number of years of rehabilitation. But not only military personnel need treatment after injury or illness, but also construction workers, others, athletes, etc. Each of the competitors has its own unique device, but all of them have their own shortcomings. One of these disadvantages is the high cost. Because of these, people who need rehabilitation need to visit private clinics according to health centers. The second problem is a small functionally due to the narrow focus of rehabilitation devices. The scope of their capabilities is quite limited. Also, due to specific components, exciting devices are not mobile. After listing all their problems, I want to tell you about their solutions. Thanks to the availabilities and of materials, the final price of the product will drop significantly, and thanks to our rehabilitation device, any hand injury is not a problem. And when the problem of mobility was solved thanks to the international battery, our project works for hours of continuous use. The glove can be taken anywhere except wet or dusty place because the device is not adapted to such environment. In the market, we plan to go to the B2B platform. First, we draw up all the documents and guarantees for the safe use of gloves. Over time, we will supply the product to clinics, rehabilitation centers, pharmacies, and sanatoriums. In the future, we hope to replace all hand rehabilitation devices and enable people to lead full lives during rehabilitation. As already mentioned, for maximum sales, we will cooperate with hospitals, pharmacies, and sanatoriums. At this moment, the printed circuit board and mathematical calculations for the increasing loops are being made. And of course, the entire model of the device is complete. Our competitor is not adapted for constant use, requires constant current, is not mobile, you need to wait for the hand to fully heal, has a high price, and is not easy to create. In the first year, we plan to sell 500 pieces and the profit price will be $35,000. Likewise, in the second year, 2,000 units with a profit of $100,000 and $40,000. And in the third year, 5,000 units with a profit of $350,000. The purpose of investing in your product is the purchase of the necessary elements for the creation of the device, marketing, and the entry of your products into the international market. We need 30,000 for the first year. The team consists of me and my partner. In previous year, we were taught various types of engineering. Therefore, we wanted to go further and make better use of your experience. Thanks you for your attention. Goodbye.